Welcome to Finline. We are the best free tool to build your project report online in less than just 10 minutes. A project report is essential to apply for a bank loan. The financial project report covers everything required by banks like your projected balance sheet, profit loss statements, and cash flow statement. Our detailed project report format is valid and accepted by any bank and government schemes in India. We provide a secure and absolutely risk-free method to develop it at your ease. The best part is that it's effortless and easy. You do not need a finance background to create complex details. We take care of that for you. With fully editable and unlimited downloads, we have more than 45,000 satisfied customers who trust Finline today. Building your project report with Finline starts by registering your login details. You can either log in with your Google account or enter an email address and create a password. Once you have logged in, you begin filling in the relevant details for your reports through this section. Enter the legal name of your firm here and click on Save and Continue. Then mention the type of business you are planning. As you type your business category, there will be a drop-down list to show you matching categories with the keyword. You can click on the relevant one to select it. If your category is not mentioned in this list, kindly type it in detail here and click on Save and Continue. On the next one, you need to choose the industry your business falls into. It could be either of the four: manufacturing, service, trading, and agriculture. Select and click on Save and Continue. Next, select the type of loan you choose to apply for. If you choose Other MSME Loan, there will be a text box for you to mention the scheme. If you are not sure about the scheme you may apply for, kindly leave it blank and click on Save and Continue. On the next step, you are asked to select the purpose of your loan. You could choose between term loan, which is your initial expense loan for setting up the business, such as purchasing land, machinery, vehicles for the company, etc., or choosing working capital, which is the operating cost needed to run your business cycle, such as managing daily expenses, monthly salaries, rent, etc. Or you can select both of them combined and click on Save and Continue. In the following step, you are asked to select among the options you require to invest in, such as land, rent, stationery, etc. Kindly note that it may vary based on the type of business you are applying for. You can select the appropriate option and mention the estimated cost required for it below. You can also unselect them if not needed. Once you have chosen your list, click on Save and Continue. This shall display your total project cost and eligible loan amount. You can also change the loan amount even after creating the report. Once you are sure, click on Save and Continue. In the next list, you can select the appropriate options for your monthly expenses and mention their estimated costs below. Then, click on Save and Continue. Next, you need to mention the amount of working capital you require in total and click on Save and Continue. In this step, you need to fill in your personal information, such as your name, gender, etc. Then, click on Save and Continue. In the final step, you will need to fill in your business information, such as your office address, firm registration type, contact details, etc. In case you need to go back and edit anything, you can scroll above and edit any section, and at last, go below to click on Create Report. This is the end stage of your report building procedure. After you have filled in all the information in the report builder, you will reach your dashboard to access your final project report. The dashboard displays the eligibility of your report for a bank loan. If your project status is clear, the green symbol here indicates your report is good and stable and ready for download. In case you need to view the report before downloading, you can see the cover page of your report here on the left side and click on View Report. If your report needs final touch-ups, you will be suggested the financials that can be edited. However, you can still download your report. Do you need help? You can also watch the video help to navigate and see how to edit that report information. In case you need assistance through the process, you can chat with our support team by clicking on the Chat with Expert button or WhatsApp on the given number. Once you have received the desired evaluation to download your report, you make the payment only once. You can also come back to this project report to make repeated edits or changes and access unlimited downloads, thus making this an extremely convenient and trustworthy project report building process for you. Thank you for choosing Finline.